Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice office chair, pure leather office chair that I think it could be a really nice one for your home office. I can't stop swiveling because this swiveling is super smooth, as you can see over here with just one push, and I'm almost like 2 or 3 spins, I think so. Some of the things that I really like about the chair, I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. Or not a close-up, but so you can see better. But this thing right here, the rocking feature, I think it's one of the best ones because you can actually just chill over here and just relax, and you can see that you can kind of like keep in this position and rocking and just have like a really nice relaxing moment. So having this rocking feature, which you can lock at all times, just like this. So now it's locked and it won't move back again. So I really like that feature. Other than that, I think it's a really good chair with so many good features. For example, this one supports 400 pounds, actually no, 300 pounds, almost a little bit more than 300 pounds. So I think it's a good one for that. But the best thing about this chair, it's 100% this right here, the lumbar support right here. You can see that kind of like pushes a little bit. So it's going to be the thing that will be, I want to say, adapting to your position. If you're kind of like sitting with a crisscross position, if you're sitting kind of like up front a little bit more, or just like relaxing backwards, this is going to adapt you to that position of your body and your lower back area. So it's going to give you a really nice support. That to me is the best feature, and it's also breathable, so it won't kind of like have anything to do with sweat or something like that. So that is really good. The armrests, these are padded, as you can see over here, but you can't modify the height. That's an important thing for you to know. You can put them in a storage position. I think that is actually pretty cool. So you can save some space, as you can see over here, and put it underneath your desk. So that is kind of cool, but you can't modify the height. I do like that it is padded almost everywhere. Like this right here, it is super padded. This on the side is super padded as well, and it's gonna give you a really nice support right here with some pad as well. But this and the centerpiece is more firm than anything, so that is to, I want to say, to withstand the 300 pounds weight limit. And you're going to see that right here comes with a firm piece as well, just to have your legs a little bit more on the circulation side. I want to say like your legs are going to be a little bit up. So that is why it's going to give you a really nice position. And as you can see over here, it is a fairly tall chair. I'm 5'10", I weigh 185 pounds. And you're going to see that I can sit over here and still have some room for my head and the headrest. So I think this chair could be good up to 6.2, 6.3, could be comfortable for tall people. I like it. I think it's a really good chair. And of course, it is comfortable and super easy to assemble. It's going to be like probably 15 minutes, no more than that, with power tools. 300 pounds, super padded everywhere, and with the really nice, you can, of course, like every other chair, just manage the height. But I think, one more time, this is one of the most important features with the adaptable lumbar support. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.